Oregon and other states have legalized recreational marijuana. Now there's a major change from the feds when it comes to medical marijuana.
And some say that this is going to be basically the beginning of the end of the prohibition. Tim Becker here with more on this. Tim.
Yeah, there's a provision tucked away in the spending bill that Congress passed over the weekend that basically says federal agents cannot raid medical marijuana operations anymore, and that funds for doing that will be taken away next year. It's not an outright lifting of the ban, but it basically ends the federal government's war on medical marijuana.
Farmers Kush?
I think it's a great thing. The handwriting's on the wall as far as the direction this is going in.
Though it is now legal in 33 states, medical marijuana business had to operate knowing they were violating federal law. But a little noticed section of Congress's 2015 budget bill, Section 538, bars the federal government from using its funds to prevent the distribution, possession, or cultivation of medical marijuana in states that allow it. That means no more money to conduct raids on facilities and prosecute their owners.
It is a big deal because it's the beginning of the end for prohibition on the federal level.
Their ID is checked here at the front desk.
Don Morse is president of the Oregon Cannabis Business Council and a dispensary owner who had his business raided not by the feds, but by Washington County just over 2 years ago. He was operating legally under Oregon's Medical Marijuana Act, which is overseen by the Oregon Health Authority. They sent me a statement today reiterating that they protect patients who comply with requirements from state criminal prosecution, adding they do not protect individuals from prosecution if the federal government chooses to take action against patients, and that the exact effect the shift in federal policy will have remains to be seen. Morse is reserving full judgment for now also.
Some old habits die hard, shall we say. There's still a lot of loopholes in the law that they can find reasons to raid something.
Reasons, for example, like suspicion of other types of drugs. So Morse tells me he's still feeling a bit vulnerable. President Obama, by the way, signed the spending bill into law yesterday, and it goes into effect immediately. Ann?
Tim.